Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Keslem puli jong ke Women's College Shillong kala penlong de jing yat kejat ke bajar-jar menta kesengi ke ar potrik unailar arjar ar pusau kum shi benta ban penpau ke jing persya halor ke jing syak tombor persya yagi kentei hagini ke jing yat kejat lawan banedan lang de kinong penyat kinong hikai jong ke college haringkat ki kena puli jong ka ia kepada sedang na pelau jong ke college bat yat lingba kalat khra poin Fire Brigade, St. Edmunds College, Dan Kiti, Don Bosco, but one pai lingba ke Upper New Colony. Kini kejing yat kejat kalong kum shibenta ban penpau ye kejing ngolem halor kejing syak tombor bat syak le be ijat jong kawe ke doktor ha kawe ke jaka sumar ye kabala tip kum ke RG Kar Medical College and Hospital Kolkata. Wat hapedeng uslap ubajur ki kena ki kod jingbut banyak shimbenta kini ke jing yat kejat da ke barak ru ki plakat ki badan ye ke jing tho penrem ye ki nongle beman bat ki jing tho smosen ye ke doktor bat kumbala yo i baka ke bala jia ha Kolkata hagini ki kendiat sngi bala dep kala pen ki win ye ke ri baro ke wei ki bala dawa ye ke jing bishar ka ba hok haba keren kini ke sngi nakal yang ke professor jong ke Women's College kala batai halor ke jingdon kam jong ke jinghi kai syapang ke akor ke boram nak bapen song nong rim bakalong ke badan kam hagani ke por bat kala pin kin mauru bakat kum ke kaipot jong ke tenat pulit jong ke jelami kali ya hadu hendreus pa arpu pratli ki mukot duma persya ye ke jing sya tombor jong ki kintei kena la dep ban penrung tang haus nam arajar arpulai.
Silent rally actually we have organized in solidarity with Abhaya, and being a women's college, I think this awareness is very much needed. This atrocities against women it's really on the rise nowadays in India. It's become like a menace, and I don't know how, because the Prime Minister's plan is Viksit Bharat, to make India a developed economy in no time. But when it's human resource, which is half of which is comprised of women, how is the economy going to be a developed economy? I just don't get it. So that was the only purpose of this thing, to bring in awareness and let the government be more aware and take some very stringent measures. That is the only thing. It's everywhere you hear. I don't have the exact statistics with me, but every single day you hear, and it's not only in Kolkata or everywhere. Bangalore, which was very safe. The other day it was in Bangalore also. So where will our girls be safe? We are saying that we should educate our girls and make them work. But when they are not safe at their workplace, then how is it going to work for the girls? Parents will always be scared to send their daughters to go out to work or to study for that matter. So if India has to really develop, then we need a proper human resource, and these girls will... government has to ensure safety of the girls. I don't know what's gone to the mindset of the people. Maybe, I don't know, the education, boys, is very, very necessary. Plus, I think the internet also, what sort of materials they have access to, we are not sure. So maybe all that also plays a very big role in this menace which is there in our country. It's very sad. Solution... very difficult to say. I've been watching the news. People are coming with different ideas, but everyone says that it should start at home. How the boys are educated, what they see, and how they grow up. The importance, the respect that is to be given to the girls. We just can't blame the internet. Internet is needed for everything. So bad side will be there, good side will be there. But parents should guide the boys how to avoid these sort of things. I think that moral education, not only at home, even in schools and all, it is very, very necessary. That is good name. I'm Maya Shri Das, the Vice Principal of the college.